about that stupid wire transfer thing. You can and you will. Time to end this thing.
This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice.
Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Wednesday. That's it, Wednesday. Hope everyone's had a great night, ready for a great day. A second here, forgot to set up one thing. And now that's done. Yay. So let's look at the market, shall we? Morning, Angel. I'm sorry, Apple, not Angel. I must be seeing angels. Morning, Apple. Apologize for that. Anyway, ES rising up to 58.93, coming down, hitting its lows recently at 58.71, so 22 points in range. And Q all the way up to 788 for pulling back to 702? Really? That it? Yeah. It's about 84 points in range there. Kappa dropping. Making new lows of the day right now. Yeah, about 120 ticks in range. Ultra Bond. About a point in range. Gold. Broke 2,800 last night. It's pulled back since, but that's an all-time high. That's about 17 points in range. Crude. I'm on the wrong day there. So they screwed up my yellow lines there. What did I do there? Whoop. There we go. Just about a point in range. Natural gas, quick fall. And Bitcoin almost got up to record highs, all-time highs, but now it's pulled back down to 72,000. So that's why we sit stand there, whatever body posture you're choosing to take today. Apple getting excited about tomorrow? Just trying to hold 700 here, getting down toward the lows of the day, right? Right. Pulls down. Everyone hearing me okay? I think that mic's working. Yeah, looks like it is. All right, Jay. Good morning. Good evening, Rod. How are you? How's the trading, Rod? Morning, William. Nice to see you. Yeah, news this morning. Thank you for reminding me about news. Ooh, yeah, thank you for reminding me about news. In 10 minutes, we have U.S. ADP employment change. That does move the market. At 8:30, we have something I've never heard of before, and it's marked red. Treasury quarterly refunding announcement, plus U.S. GDP quarter-over-quarter advance. 9 o'clock, we have German CPI. And at 10:30, crude oil inventories. And why is my voice cracking? You're very welcome, Jay. William, what are you digging into? Oh, okay. So the orders are stored on your PC and executed from there? Is that what you're saying? Hey, Q, trying to tickle 700 here, see if it hits it and bounces, or if it bursts through and makes new lows. Oops, sorry about that. That sounds bad. I'm gonna, if this blue candle stays blue, I'm gonna take it. If it doesn't, then I won't. Right now it hasn't. No. So even though, okay, I got you. So Quant Tower is the better option, you're saying there, William? Jay Jackson, how's your trading been going lately? Thank you. It's looking like it wants to bounce a bit. You pick one yet? I'm glad to hear that, Jay. Huh. It sounds like it's not a great platform to use. 5 minutes until ADP employment change. Missed the blue candle there. I was looking away. Let's see if I can possibly still get in. No, went without me there. My fault. Ah, yeah, it definitely seems like a platform you want to stay away from. That was a winning trade there that I didn't take. Well, Apple, most of us here are prop firm traders, so we're not really using a regular brokerage. But I've heard good things about like AMP and Ninja Trader brokerage. Yeah, Webull recently just got into futures, so I'm not sure how good or not they are. I haven't looked into them at all. Yeah, AMP seems to be the one that people really like. Another blue candle, though it's kind of extended. Pushes back a little. I'm gonna try taking that long there with a very tight stop. Oh, shot up and then right back down. It's gonna nail me here, I think. Maybe not. New candle for. Oh, nope. Wow. Oh, yeah. I forgot about news. Duh. I'm here to talk about news and then I forget about it. Been a nice win though if it hadn't quickly nailed me to the downside first with lots of slippage. That was just bad trading on my part. Totally forgot about I said about the ADP employment change and then totally forgot about it. But if it hadn't quickly whipped down, I would have had a good trade. Huh, no problem. We'll get it back. Stupid of me. Stupid me. Just a one more tick wider stop, I would have had a nice win. Well, congrats, Rod. Did the Bulenox die? Oh, okay. I got you. I thought you meant like Bulenox went the other way or something. You were long on one, short on the other. And we're pulling back now. Upset with myself for forgetting that within 3 minutes, forgetting the fact that there was news. I don't know how I did that. It just totally brain farted there. So more news coming up in just 12 minutes. Wow. I saw that come across from Profit Trade. Did you hear? Where did you hear from, William? Yeah, the note I got from Profit. We see the market fall again now. I should have taken the short there. But the email from Profit Trade is our data provider DXFeed, in compliance with CME regulations, conducts random inquiries into the non-professional status of users. Occasionally, they select users at random, send additional questions regarding their data usage. We kindly ask you to respond promptly and honestly as possible if we receive these questions. By the way, it's stupid that I got this anyway because I don't have an account with Profit Trade. I mean, I have an affiliate account, but that's it. But anyway, so they must have sent it to everybody. Failure to respond to these inquiries from DXP could result in deactivation of your data access, which will lead to the closure of your Profit Trade account. Unfortunately, the situation is beyond their control. Right, I know. I'm not saying it isn't. I'm just saying. Sitting here back at 710. Hey Hassan, how you doing? I just asked Matt Leach, the CEO of MyFundedFutures, on my Discord, if there's anything we should be worried about. See if he responds. Still falling here. So yeah, I should have taken the short. Wasn't didn't process it. Nothing happened with MyFundedFutures, Hassan. It's DX feed. They're sending people random questions about non-professional status, and Williams hearing that if you're using DXC with more than two different props, that they're going to consider you a professional. I mean, I think Rod acts like he knows more than he does, though. We'll see. Like I said, I've asked Matt, and Matt's pretty straightforward with his knowledge, so we'll see. Profit Trade has DXP. My Funded Futures has DXP. I guess the concern is, Hassan, is if DXP's doing this, will Rhythmic and will Tradeify start doing this as well? I mean, if it's the CME saying, like I said, it says DXP in compliance with CME regulations. Yeah, there's probably others. I probably should get my um popping back up here, my administrative assistant to maybe do a spreadsheet on what props have what feeds. I don't remember who else does have DX feed though. It's become more. It's like you never heard of it before. My Funded Futures had it, and then all of a sudden it's becoming popular. I think the Trading Pit might have DX feed too, but I don't remember. So we'll see what Matt says when he responds, which might not be until you know tomorrow. Well, not probably later today at some point. Yeah, Savius. I signed up for their affiliate program, Savius. But God, even when it's on English, the website's on English. Half their forms and stuff still stay in Italian. I kept having to use Google Translate. Might have agreed to make spaghetti for him for all I know. But in case you missed it, y'all should check out the video I did on fast track trading yesterday. Fast track considers what you're doing there a video game, not real trading. Jay, I think Trade Shield's legit. I have an affiliate link with them. I just haven't gotten around to promoting them yet. I need to get back to them and see if they still want to do an interview. I have a bunch of people that want to do interviews that I need to start setting up. Hassan, no, and I don't understand. They didn't say a word about me. Um, they didn't ban me from their Discord. Nothing. I'm shocked. There's been no response. G-Man just left the server again. Yay. I don't know. This time was weird. He joined the server again, I don't know, 2, 3 weeks ago, but never said a word here or in the server. Yeah, visual. I signed up with them yesterday. That's the one I was just talking about. That even though I pressed English, that half the forms and stuff I was in Italian. They've been around a while. They've been around a couple years. I don't know how legit they are. I mean, I have to look into them further, and it's hard to look into firms that are from other countries. News coming up here in 20 seconds, guys. Good luck, Rod. Morning, Platt. That was right now. It's less smaller move than the ADP. Yeah, we keep watching it drop. It dropped from 3.7 to 3.6 last night, Hassan. At Crypticon, so far that's not looking like a good decision. But let's see if it pops. It's struggling to go down further, so that might be a good sign for you. I don't know how big your stop loss is. Oh yeah, I mean there's probably a few there that truly believe in fast track, but yeah, most of them are, and they are being investigated. So yeah, it was. I mean, that was nothing. News didn't do anything there. US GDP quarter over quarter advanced 2.8%. They expected 2.9, so it was a slight miss. PCE prices advanced 2.2. They expected 2.1. Now, at the top of the hour, we had German CPI. I don't know. Apparently, we had crude news, though. Look at what crude did. And look at that. It went right to that resistance one on the trigger point. That's amazing. To the tick. I hope so, Saudi guy. I mean they're still paying out, so I, I think he's gonna try. Silver? Silver. Oh yeah, silver spiked. Spiked and came right back down. Trying to remember where if I still have an NKD chart anywhere. Let's what we'll do there. On. Ooh, nice blue spike. Ooh, yeah, looks like it's ready for a bounce there, Hassan. Morning, Robin. How are you? Uh, I did a video on Sugar Point a couple months ago. Doing good. Crypt, you still in this trade? You are. I'm rooting for this bounce. I like that blue candle. Maybe if it gets above the 20. Took the long there. Just going to look for the top of the Bollinger. Morning, Chris. There we go. Target hit. That was a 6 point trade. Got me my money back on the trade I lost when I forgot there was news. Thank you, Jay. And Crip, now things are looking okay for you. Do you have a target, or did you stop out? Of course, I could have stayed in and got much more. I was in at 707. I could have got 10, but that's okay. You just never know when, the bands are closing in, whether it's going to come up, bounce on that band, and go back down, or if it's going to stretch the bands and start making them widen again. I do want to thank my AI. I think today's thumbnail looked absolutely incredible. I used this image. Pumpkin with a trading chart carved in it. I thought that was absolutely cool. I was shocked because normally if I put in an idea into the AI, I need to ask it to do several first, before I find one I like. And that one's the first that it did it on the first try, and all I said was image of a jack-o'-lantern with a trading chart on it, and it nailed it first try. Morning, Speed Racer. Yeah, I do. At least the good ones. If you saw my hard drive right now, it's an absolute mess because I gotta start sorting out these pictures because I just randomly save them into the one folder, and that folder now has like 32,000 images in it. What I figure is most likely between the week between Christmas and New Year's I won't stream because last year was an absolute disaster when I streamed between Christmas and New Year's. So I figure I'll use that time to clean up my system and all. John, yeah, Chat GPT 4 with Dolly. Pay $20 a month for it. How are you this morning, John? I use a couple other AIs as well, but that's the main one. Every now and then, uh, it, ChatGPT 4 still has issues with words at times, and I found a couple, another one that's better if I have something that has a lot of words in it. And 32,000 was an exaggeration. This folder has 4,350 files and 208 folders, and it's 9.77 gigabytes in size. I've never used it for a trading strategy. Yeah, big game from the Yanks last night. It's rising back up. So got the official MightyOxTrading Christmas ornament in the mail yesterday. Bad lighting on the pic, but it looks pretty good. That image was also created by AI. Quick drop here. That's a whoosh. Falling. Definitely been kind of rangy since that move down earlier, right before we started this stream. There's a little bounce. Blue candle. I don't like that kind of blue candle though. True. Very true. So tomorrow I'll try and get some special stuff on the stream for Halloween. Still looking for some sounds and stuff. See if I can do it. Trying to hang on the 700. We have about 40 minutes until the bell. 10 minutes till the top of the hour. It's bopping right on 700. Reminder, folks, if you're enjoying our stream today, I appreciate if you'll gore that like button. Let YouTube know you're enjoying it, which means it'll recommend it to other traders that might join us. I do want to thank everyone for being here today. Feel free to join us in the chat. Questions and comments are welcome. Taking any trades today yet, John? That's an interesting blue pop. Let's see where it ends up here. We do have German CPI at the top of the hour. Because of the time change, Europe's already done their time change. We haven't. Uh, Normally, German CPI happens at 8 a.m. Eastern time. Today, it's happening at 9 Eastern time. So we don't normally the stream's just starting when it happens. But I think I remember it moving the market some. So we'll have to keep an eye on that. Right back down. Glad I didn't fall for that blue candle. Break 700 down to 692. home on the range. Morning, Greg. Good to see you. Yeah, market's falling harsh. New low day, right? Yes. New low day on NQ and on ES. Not so much on the Dow. Looks like it's actually trying to bounce. And possible blue candle bounce here. Got a lot of time on it though. So far, that blue candle went away. Now it's back. That sounds like a country song. My blue candle went away, and now it's back. We're long. Target just under the 9 EMA there. Oops, back down to my entry. Morning, RJ. You're early today. Struggling to get above, I don't know. Got it up to 686. Move my target down just a bit. I want it right underneath that 9 EMA. Doesn't seem to want to go. Red now. Coming back. Patience. Patience. Boom, target hit. There we go. So that was let's see, 682 to 688.75. So 6.75 points right there. Thank you, Chris. We're 2 out of 3 on the morning now, up 145. Really, is that it? Oh yeah, that's right. The first two canceled each other out. That's right. Got back up to 94. So I could have got 10, but happy with where I put my target there. Pulls back. How was Canada this morning, Mr. RJ? Top of the hour, quick drop. Heading back down. Wow. Glad I didn't get greedy there and try for more. Excellent, Rod. You're having a good night. So anyone doesn't think I'm insane, Rod is in Australia, so it's nighttime there for him. Good job, Ryan. Good job. Yeah, they definitely seem to be in control there, Joe. uh, Now I need to make that on that AI. Boom, 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 boom. Still falling. So let's look at the hourly chart. Looks a little messy. Getting down toward balance. Down to the Bollingers. Will it bounce on the Bollingers or will it cause them to bend? These are the hard questions we ask here at MightyOxTrading. Crude oil, big pullback there. Gold broke 2,800 overnight. Looks like it's trying to get back up to it. Platinum falling fast. We are doing a natural gas challenge. See who can pass an eval, trading only one contract on natural gas. So they could have went short and got a nice win. Uh, Give me a minute on that, Greg, and I will. Let me look at the Tradeify again. I mean, I don't think you could go wrong with either one, Greg. But I mean, my funded futures is my number one recommendation always, or almost always. And I think the milestone plan gives a good, is a well put together that lets you get some payouts along the way and before getting to a live account. Good morning, CVR. How are you? Yeah, I mean, I partially agree with you there, William, but I really, I think Brett has a good head on his shoulders and good help with that company, and seems to be doing pretty good so far. But again, like I said, my funded futures is my number one recommendation. Blue candle here popping, popping, stopping, popping like a candle. Same with my funded futures. Every day you can same day payout. Blue candle went away right before the end of that candle. Now the 40% off Tradeify ends tomorrow night. So if you want the Tradeify, you're gonna want to grab it today or tomorrow. Then I think it goes down to 30 or 35%. I have to look. Brett announced it, but I don't remember off the top of my head. Yeah, that is a rumor as well. Yeah, I mean I like my funded futures better overall, Greg. Nice little pop. So it didn't give me that blue candle, but it would have worked. Yep, exactly. And Tradeify also has payout windows, whereas my funded futures, as soon as you hit that milestone, the target, you're getting paid out that day. Right. I'm talking about before live. Right. but you got to worry about live sim before going live. So let's face it, most people don't make it through the live sim. Yeah, I definitely agree. Do you need the link for? Do you need link and code for that, Greg? Give me 1 second. There you go. Code MOT will give you 10% off. Thank you. So this down move came from the. Remember, I said this is a big move down. This was the German CPI candle, and it sent this move down. Germany, Greg trades YM. The other Greg just posted on the Discord that their inflation popped back up pretty huge. Hey USC, how you doing? Are they okay? I noticed you weren't here for a couple days. Yeah, I understand that, William. Morning, Ace. Uh, Honestly, USC, my guess is that sale's going to be extended. I would I would put the odds at better than 90% that that sale will be extended. Yeah, I hope so too. Kind of hanging on the EMAs right now. So how you doing today, Ace? Doing good? Hey, Mrs. Ace. Hope your morning is going well. Morning, Steve. Morning, JC. Nice to see you all. Put that like button for me. Thank you. Less than 10 minutes till the bell. Hey, Shark, how you doing? Yep, they want it. I have AC on right now. They want it 80 today, low of 36 tomorrow, so the heat will be on tomorrow night. So far, so good. Shark 2 for 3 on the morning, up like 146. The first two trades cancel each other out. Ace never gives his exact location. He told us he'll have to kill us. Great job, Shark. Coming back down. Hard to believe we're less than 1 month from Thanksgiving. You sure you're not thinking of somebody else? Or maybe. I don't remember. I don't remember Ace ever mentioning his parents. I didn't even know he had parents. But he might have. Soon you'll be hearing me singing Christmas songs. I mean, oh, look at this pop right before 5 minutes before the bell. So RJ came in at like before 9, said hello, and then it totally disappeared. Puerto Rico, where he may or may not have stolen mangoes. Mangoes, right? One of those tropical fruits. Rising back up here before the bell. Morning, Sid. No more news. Crude oil inventories at 10:30. U.S. pending home sales at 10 o'clock. That's not a real big market mover. How you doing today, Sid? How's South Carolina? Steve Manning did your live button. You might be a little bit behind the live broadcast. Too close to the bell, Ace. Oh, awesome, Sid. That would come. That's a little bit uh too far of a drive for some fresh eggs. Hmm, back down. Here we are, the opening. Market continues to kind of tumble. Down to 635. 635. Oh, never mind. Big pop back up. I ain't playing this. Not at all. Gold falling. Crude kind of falling. Dow falling. ES popping back up. Q pulls back. Hey, motivational healing. Yeah, gold dipping pretty hard there. Nice ace. Hitting that 100 EMA that might struggle there. Whenever I see MGC, which is the symbol for micro gold, but whenever I see it, I think the word magic. Assuming you're out, Ace, you got to have an ace in the trade. Williams lost his shorts. Oh, quickly popping back up though. Wow, that's some violent U-turns. Right back down. I ain't liking this price action, people. I don't like it at all. Sid hasn't said anything about taking a trade yet either, so maybe he's not liking the price action of Tesla. Wow, guys. Listen to this for you prop traders, since the market's is dying anyhow. Uh, Merit accounts from Phoenix Trader Funding. Body our vision for proprietary trading firms, a place where traders can truly leverage their skills in exchange for capital without the limits that typically hold them back. Today, we're changing the game by offering an account with zero restrictions. No consistency rules, minimum trading days, no activation fees, no daily drawdown, no payout restrictions, no max drawdown limit, no static, no, I'm sorry, it's a static drawdown, no profit goal, direct live funding. How does it work? Once you purchase your account, you have 30 calendar days to showcase your trading skills. Unlike other programs, Merit Account has no reset costs, no drawdown pressures, and no arbitrary rules. Trade freely at your own pace, focused on refining your skills. Don't chase profits, don't rush, we value how you trade, not how much you make. After 30 days, a combined evaluation by our team and proprietary AI will determine if you qualify for live funding. If your performance isn't yet fundable, we'll provide detailed, actionable feedback to strengthen your trading approach. Note, only one Merit account is allowed at a time. The account isn't validated. You need to purchase a Classic or Ascension account before retrying. The pricing for the Merit accounts, a 10K account, $5, 50K account, $10, 100K account, $20. It's Phoenix Trader Funding. So if after the 30 days, they'll put you right in a live account with EdgeClear if they feel you're good enough. I mean, it's $5. How could it be scammed? They've been in business for over a year. They've been putting people in a live account with EdgeClear. They're partners with EdgeClear. EdgeClear is a very reputable company. EdgeClear would not partner with a company that they felt was scammy. I mean, it's in their Discord right now. That's where I got it from. I mean, you can nice, Sid. Can I spell it? Phoenix. Phoenix Trader Funding, like Phoenix, like the city. Phoenix Trader Funding. I mean, I understand what you're saying, William, but at the same time, what do you lose besides $20? I mean, this sounds like they want to be almost like a true prop firm where they evaluate you for 30 days, and if they think you're good enough, then you're and they're into a live funded account. I mean, heck, I'm not even post. I mean, I am an affiliate of Phoenix, but I'm not even going to post up an affiliate link because at $20, I'm not going to get anything out of it. Still dropping here, down to 558. Though looks like it may want to bounce here. I guess I don't understand how they're doing it for that cheap. I admit that because the rhythmic data is cost more than that. Say up over $16,000. Just said. Sid's blowing us all away. Great job, Sid Chase. I took a chance here and I'm going to get stopped out and I'm going to go down. I'm going to get red. Come on back for me. Maybe not. Come on. There it goes. Target hit. Boom. How about that? 10-point trade, 555 to 565. Sid, pick a date in October that's not the 13th or the not the 13th or the yeah. Where's my November calendar? Not the 13th or the 22nd. Any date in November is fine. Besides those two dates. Yeah, I meant November. William, Matt from MyFundedFutures replied to me saying it's nothing to be concerned about with DX feed. This is DXWay's feed of verifying pro versus non-pro status. The CME does audits of this quite frequently. Because of the impending scrutiny of the industry, they're performing more and more checks of individual users. It doesn't really say, but I'm not sure there'd be a purpose for them to just take your $20, which doesn't even cover Rhythmic, 30 days, say, well, you didn't make it, and then try and sell you into one of their other accounts. Wait, there's weird add-on purchases? Wow, Rod! By the end of this trading day, you might have past evals with every company. No, seriously, that's congratulations. Yeah, but a lot of people don't want to go live. I mean, for whatever reason, there's a lot of people out there prefer to stay on sim. So blue candle here. Do I want to take it? Yes or no, guys? No. Crowdsourcing my trades. We're long up to the 20. Struggled at the 20. I should have taken it there. Let's see. It's giving me another shot, I think. Now it's back down to my entry. Coming back up. There we go. Struggling with that 20 EMA. Took it off there because it was struggling with the 20 EMA for a 10-point trade. I mean, a 5-point trade. It's probably going to go, but that's okay. We are now up. We're up 436.60 on the day on 80% win rate. 4 out of 5. Yeah, I called you. You were already gone the other day, Sid, but I called you out saying that gold was down at 1,800 when you predicted 3,000, and it's just continuing to go. That was a great call. Great. I mean, that was just amazing because it hasn't even taken that long. I was thinking, you say talking about 3,000, we're talking years, and it's been months. Uh, Both Hassan and William, yes, I agree with what you're saying. Wow, that's a pretty huge position. Took a long on my topstep funded account, 3 micros. Trying to target that 100 EMA. News coming up in 5 minutes pending home sales. Wish I had taken this trade in the other account, but that's okay. Probably going to get out here before it gets to the 100 EMA, though. Entered this trade at 605. We're up to 628, so it's a 25-point trade almost. We're out there, 20 points. 605 quarter to 625 half. There's $119 on just 3 micros. You're having an amazing day, Sid. Absolutely amazing. Did I see Russell? No, he didn't stop by. No, let me look at the Russell. Oh, yeah, Russell's mooning, ain't it? Russell to the moon. Russell hitting all-time highs? No, not close yet. Looks like around 2311-ish. I think he meant on that last trade you just did, NVIDIA. Apparently, if anyone's interested in those Phoenix accounts, their CEO is doing a Twitter Spaces right now. I don't know why these companies got to announce things right around market open. Oh, that one. Yeah, that's his metals trade. He's been in that for a long, long time. You know, and USC, my thought is yeah, but my other thought, okay, like the two thoughts are, if it was really too good to be, if they were looking to exploit it, they would have made it $100 and not $10, 5, 10, or $20. And the other thing is, again, they had you know partnership with EdgeClear. EdgeClear, obviously was started by one of the biggest names in futures. It's a very reputable company. But they're also limiting it to one account, Hassan. So I mean, I don't know. When Sid Chase joins me in sometime in November, we could talk about his metals trades again and how his call was so right. I mean, the only thing I could think of, Hassan, is that they're able to sell the data that they collect. Yeah, but it doesn't even cost the price of the Rhythmic account. I mean, Rhythmic costs more than $5 or $10. I don't know exactly what Rhythmic costs, but I think it's 30 something a month. I'm not sure. Which is why so many companies try to sell you multiple accounts under one Rhythmic, because they you can have 20 accounts and only pay one Rhythmic fee. I don't see any add-ons. I mean, I granted, I can't check it out until after the stream's done. As we're continuing to rise up, back up to 650 here. That was a nice pivot point earlier. RJ, there you are. I thought you got sucked into the vacuum that is the Great White North. All right, Hassan, thank you. Honestly, I'm not sure yet. USC, because I got to check it out better. Huh. Wow, RJ thinks we're here to actually trade. No. Wouldn't make capped payouts wouldn't make sense in a live market, so I don't know. I don't know. I will definitely dive into it after the stream to try and figure it out. Why can't these companies like announce these things like in the afternoon? Is this your last day here for the week, RJ, or are you gonna be here tomorrow? All right. I will console Ace that you won't be about you not being here. I know he'll cry each day. Thank you, Hassan. Basically, Hassan, they're evaluating your trading, so they're not going to put in artificial stops. I mean, basically, they want to see if you're willing to actually, if you're willing to actually take it down to 50K, lose $50,000. It's a true evaluation, is what it is what, or at least what it seems like. But it sounds like they're not looking for that either. They want to see consistent trading. It would be my guess. My guess is if people pass, whatever the pass is, it's going to be the people that make $200 a day on a regular basis with good risk management. I appreciate you checking things out, though, Hassan. And Q continues to rebound. Look at that. Man, look at the Dow. Dow's just all happy today. Trying to break the 100 here. I'm sorry, the 9, not the 100. My God. What am I, some an idiot? Ah, well, oh, for some reason my Tradeify crashed. I need to restart it. Okay, it's back. Not sure where. There it is. Sitting on the dock of the bay. Okay. Feels like it wants to come down here, but I'm thinking it's just going to be a pullback. Nope. Take Profit Trader is very good. Top 3 firm with me. Um, CBR CFT actually recently did a interview with their owner or co-owner. Still rising. Just kind of choppy here around 660. See, anything else doing anything interesting? Crude's kind of leveled out. Gold's bounced. Ultra Bond made a nice move up, pulling back. Copper's making a nice run. Yep, there's another pop back up. Not liking this price action again. How's everybody else doing? We red or we green? I know Sid's very green. No trades yet. Nice. Great job, Hassan. Great job, RJ. Thank you, Burrell. Nice, Jay. Great job. Excellent, Steve. Look at that. There we go. Getting back up to 2,700. How's your trading going, Burrell? Have you got the kinks worked out of your code yet? Or is your code still kinky? Sorry if that's a personal question. Awesome. Awesome. I should have taken this blue candle. Oh, wow. Yeah, I should have taken that blue candle. Whoosh. Up. Look at that, RJ. You might have got yourself a YM convert. Dow Jones should be sending you commissions, RJ. All right, folks, if you haven't already, please gore that like button for me. Whoa, we just found out a talent about Ace that we didn't know. Okay, maybe not. That was good. That was really good. And I didn't see that one coming. Wow, RJ. Uh, oh, how's he doing with it, John Burrell? It's really not an easy adjustment. Good. Glad to hear that, Burrell. Ace with that chest scarf. He thought about being Frankenstein for Halloween, but we're not pulling his leg. Oh, sorry. Only I can make that joke. Pushing down here. So we got up above 700, I think. Oh, 699 half. Back down by about 20 points. Well, that popped back up. Wow. I think I've told you guys the joke I used. So when you go to a you know, and you're in the hospital or go to a rehab center afterwards, they got to do the whole assessment even if you don't need it. And one of that is uh, occupational speech therapy to make sure you can talk and all that. I never understood it, but I was like, I think I actually speak better now because I have one less foot to put in my mouth, which caused everybody to crack up. Oh wow, that's awesome. Purple candle, I like it. I love it. I want some more. Oh, sorry. Oh, maybe I like it. Go like it hit the band on the way back down. And now I'm late. Would have been good. I missed it though. My fault. Maybe they don't. Oh, I'm sorry. This is sorry about that. Started responding to someone on Discord on here. Trying to pop here, which means they're not trying to make big money from it. We're choppy with 15 minutes to go in the stream. So if I don't take any more trades today, so far this week, and I do have my administrative assistant working on getting the information I need to do a video in the merit accounts. But anyway, this week I started this account on Monday, and I've taken 25 trades. I've won 19 and lost 6. So I have a 76% win rate, and I'm up $1,623. My average trade time is 1 minute and 34 seconds. Thank you, USC. Thanks, John. Well, I mean, honestly, RJ, that the software keeps track of it. Tradeify shows me that info, thankfully. Yeah. And the one loss I took this morning was a total bonehead loss because I forgot. I told people 5 minutes before news, we have news in 5 minutes. And then I take a trade for 2 minutes, 2 minutes before the news, forget about it. I get stopped out on news, and I took 2 points of slippage, so my stop was, I ended up losing $100 on that trade. So just a total bonehead. Yeah, if you're RJ, if you've never seen it, this is what. Uh, This is what I see. This is today's stats. This is what uh, it shows me, and you can see all the individual trades, how long you're in, but average trade time, percent profitable, expectancy, etc., etc. You can see this is for this week. See all your trades on the week. Yeah, William, I just was stupid. See, back here, this was the trade. We'll turn back time. Turn back time. So I entered on this no here. I entered on this blue candle, totally forgetting we were getting news here. And it would have worked out if I had my stop at one more freaking tick down. But I entered at 7:15, got stopped out for that 7:10, and then I mean you can see I would have got my 10 points I was shooting for easy, but it whipped down first. It was boneheaded. Uh, how massive there, Shark? That's enough to cover, I guess, two NQ margin. I mean, unless they're talking about that's what you get to trade with, not including margin. Oh wow, whoosh! Day trading margin is only like for NQ is only like $1,000. Yeah, that's why we don't use it. IBKR. Go to amps margins. See if we're gonna bounce here at all. No, still no bounce. See, look. Well, they okay. So look up Edge Clear because that's who they use. Look up Edge Clear's margins. They probably have a deal with Edge Clear. Edge Clear on their website, initial margin 16,000, but as low as day trading margin is as low as 10%. So I don't know. They probably have a deal with them. A bunch of prop firms are now using Edge Clear, including Elite Trader Funding, Earn to Trade, Big Blue Pop goes back down there. Right. Still falling here, down to 630. Got 5 minutes left in the stream. Right, exactly. That's what most do. There's a few that don't. There's a few that actually make people worry about what their margin is, which is weird. I can't think of who, but there's one out there I know of. Okay, again, William, I said I'm not going to ask them about that until after my giveaway is done tomorrow, because I want to make sure I don't bug them and they take away my giveaway. Because on our Discord, we are giving away a 150K insta-funded Flexytrade account, which Hassan says he's going to win. Took a long on my topstep funded account. 3 micros again. Looking for the 20 EMA maybe, and then seeing if it wants to burst. There it goes. Look at that. Hits the 20. Can it go further? Struggling there. There it goes. The 100 EMA is right above it, that red line. Look at that go. Struggling there. I'm out. Got 16 points on that trade. And we're at 158.34 on the top step funded account today. 2 out of 3 trading there. It's okay, William. Not a problem. I wasn't like yelling at you. I realized my voice sounded kind of like it was. I didn't, but it wasn't meant that way. So I apologize if it came across that way. and pulls back. Looks like I got out at a pretty decent spot. What are you posting in the Discord, jerk? Oh, okay, cool. Yes, please post it in the Discord. I want to see it. We've reached the top of the hour. I want to thank everyone for joining me today. We'll be back tomorrow, Halloween edition of Mighty Ox Trading. Hope we'll get some things up to make it look a little interesting. Have a great rest of your day, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.